From operatic to rock, blues and pop, etc., we have 14 seasoned vocal tutors who are certified to teach and mentor you.
Cover me with kisses.
Hello there. WeGotGuru welcomes you to our online Western vocal classes that will guide you in being a sound singer.
And please don't.
They prepare you under the Trinity College of London syllabus and under the ABRSM syllabus.
I promise I'm not trying to make your life harder or return to where we were. So the drowsy eyes are breathing, feeling.
This way, you improve your voice, range, posture and breath control drastically and meticulously.
This fortress keep it all through the night.
This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last.
Apart from giving exams, grade-wise and getting certified yourself,
Anymore have to die, don't ask me why.
And I will fight to follow.
nurturing the voice and taking care of it is a moral code our vocal tutors abide by.
Through my life forever. Here in this timeless moment.
If you'd like to do the same and become the singer you have dreamed of being, we at WeGotGuru extend our hands to reach out to all the aspiring singers out there to support and guide you.
Ever, you're always and ever the same.
This provides a structure for the courses and top quality certification process. Do check our school and tutorial channel on YouTube by searching for WeGotGuru. For further enquiries, kindly WhatsApp us at 7829136615 or 97427 56834.